Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic: will wood crack in heat? We often encounter wood in various settings, from furniture to building materials, and understanding how it reacts to heat is essential. So, let's get started. 1. Setting the stage. Before we delve into the science, let's establish one thing: yes, wood can crack in heat. But it's not a simple yes or no answer. Several factors come into play, and that's what we'll explore today. 2. Exploring the science. So, why does wood crack in heat? First, wood contains moisture, which can evaporate when exposed to high temperatures. As this moisture leaves the wood, it can cause the wood to shrink, creating stress within the material. 3. Differential expansion and contraction. Now, here's where things get interesting. Different parts of the wood can expand and contract at different rates when heated. The outer layers might heat up faster than the inner layers, leading to stress and tension within the wood. 4. Direct sunlight and heat sources. Ever left a piece of wood outside under the scorching sun? Sunlight, especially direct exposure, can increase the wood's temperature significantly. This quick heating can cause cracks to form on the surface or along the grain lines. Placing wood near intense heat sources like stoves or fireplaces can also cause localized heating and result in uneven expansion, leading to potential cracking. 5. Quality matters. Not all wood is created equal. Low-quality wood or wood that's improperly dried might have an uneven structure and higher moisture content, making it more susceptible to cracking in heat. 6. Minimizing the risk. The good news is, there are ways to minimize the risk of wood cracking in heat. Treating wood with appropriate finishes or sealants can help reduce moisture absorption and mitigate cracking. 7. Seasoned wood. Using properly seasoned and dried wood is also essential. This wood has been carefully dried to the appropriate moisture content, making it less likely to undergo drastic changes when exposed to heat. 8. Protection. Lastly, protecting wood from intense sunlight and direct heat sources can go a long way in preserving its structural integrity. So, to wrap it up, yes, wood can crack in heat, but it's not a foregone conclusion. By using quality wood, proper treatment, and some care, you can prevent or minimize cracking, ensuring your wooden belongings remain in great shape. That's all for today's video. If you found it informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating topics like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.